Good morning, students. So we were reading chapter number 6, the political India, and I have told you to learn the name of the states I have given. Children, learn the name of the state each and every day I am giving you, because in the end I will ask you to make a video of your own. Okay, so learn it now, the time I have given you. So let's continue the chapter. So here we are, the political India. Let's learn something new about this chapter. So the British rule India almost 200 years. It was a monarchy. So see, these are the British people. Who they are? The British people. They came from the British, from the England, and they rule our country for almost 200 years. ये ब्रिटेन से आए थे और इन्होंने हमारे कंट्री पर 200 साल राज किया. Okay, see, you can see that Indian people are there as a prisoner. So they were ruling our country over 200 years. So if they rule our country, they are behaving very badly over here. Okay, children. So their behavior was not good. But due to the freedom fighters, maybe all of you have seen the picture of them. They are the freedom fighters of our country. They fight for the country to make it independent. Okay, so here are the Britishers, those who are ruling our country. They are not good people. See, they are the British people and these are the Indian people. Okay, and these peoples are not good. They were exploiting our people. Okay, वो हमारे people के साथ अच्छा behave नहीं करते थे. So the freedom fighters of India, these people or many more, fight against them and make our country free, make our country independent. Have you ever heard this word independent? On Independence Day. So these people, like you may know, Gandhi Ji, Jawaharlal Nehru, so many people are there. They make our country free. So our country become independent on 15 August 1947. Okay. One more thing about the British rule, that in this time the Queen was ruling the country. जो हमारी country के ऊपर किसका राज चलता था? रानी का राज चलता था. Queen was ruling. Whatever the Queen say, we have to do. Okay, we are not supposed to argue. If we don't like, still we have to do. If the Queen say, we have to do it. This is called monarchy system. Which system it is? Monarchy. Okay. So the British ruled India almost 200 years. It was a monarchy. Monarchy means the rule of king and queen. जिसमें राजा और रानी का राज चलता है. Okay. So Queen can say anything to us and we have to do it. It is not good. If we don't like, we will not do. So what happened after that? The freedom fighters fight with them and our country become free on 15 August 1947. So then on 15 August 1947, India become free. India become independent. Okay. So we celebrate every year on 15 August Independence Day. Why we are celebrating it? Because our country get independence from British rule, from Queen's rule. And soon after that, after 2.5 years, our Republic Day come. You know that it is on 26th January. Our country become Republic. We have celebrated Republic Day also in our schools, don't we? If you remember. So on 26th January, India become Republic. Now what is the meaning of Republic? Republic means now we have our own government. What we have? Our own government. अच्छा, पहले क्या था? पहले king and queen rule करते थे. Who are ruling over us? King and queen. But now what is there? There is our government. In government there is no king, no queen. Even there is a leader and a group of people who rule over us. Like you see, this is a government. There is no king, no queen. These people These people make laws, make rules to run country. Okay, nobody can say anything to us. We have to follow. There is the people, those we are choosing, they rule over us. There is no king, no queen. People used to rule over the country, and we choose those people. So, and on 26th January 1950, India became republic. We celebrate our Republic Day on 26th January 1950. Okay. So what we have now? Now we have government. We can choose our own leaders by election. Have you ever heard this word election? Okay. In election, we are choosing the leaders by voting. See, these women are going for voting. It happens in 5 years. Women and men go, who are 18 years and above, go and vote and choose their leaders. Okay, your father and mother also went for the voting or election. See, these are also going. So these women and men elect these people. Okay, and these people will rule over us. See, they are voting. What they are doing? These women and men are voting over here, and then we choose our leader. So who is the leader of our country now? It's Narendra Modi. He is the Prime Minister of our country. He is the leader of our country. And not only him, there are so many other people like the President of India and the state government also, Ashok Gehlot. There are so many other ministers who is ruling over the country, which we have chosen. Your father, your mother have chosen for you. Okay, chosen for ruling our country. So there are two types of government in our country. One is central government, which have more power, and the state government, which is of a particular state. Okay, so which type of government we have? We have two types of government, central government and the state government. About these two government I will teach you in my next video. So let's recap that the British ruled India almost 200 years. It was a monarchy. Monarchy means in which a king or a queen rule over the country. Then the freedom fighters fight with them, and our country become independent on 15 August 1947. We celebrate our Independence Day on this day. And on 26th January 1950, India become republic. Means now we can choose our own leader. First the king, queen and king are the rulers, then their son and all will rule us. But now what we are doing? Now we can choose our own leader. Now we have government and we can choose our own leaders by election. There are two types of government in our country, central government and the state government. And children, I have given you some work to learn the name of the states. So this is, I have told you to learn the name of Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, and Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Now I am adding the more names to it, and the more names we will add from here. So near Gujarat, just downside, we have Maharashtra. What we have? Maharashtra. It is what? Maharashtra. And downside of Maharashtra we have Karnataka. Achha children, here you can see the smallest state of India. It is Goa. Which state is the smallest state of India? Goa. And here is Telangana. Okay, so now you have to learn all those names. So let's move from north to south. Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand. Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand. Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Goa, Telangana. Okay, so let's one more time. If this time you can speak with me also. Himachal Pradesh, this one, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, small state Goa, and Telangana. So learn all of them, repeat again and again. I will ask you all the name of the state in the end of this chapter. Okay? Read the chapter. Any doubt you can ask.